Welcome, wildlife enthusiasts and curious minds, to an exciting exploration of the world's most expansive and captivating zoological wonders. In this video, we embark on a virtual journey to discover the 6 most significant zoos around the globe, each a testament to the remarkable diversity of our planet's fauna and the tireless efforts of. Join us as we delve into the unique features, conservation initiatives, and educational missions that make these zoos stand out as beacons of biodiversity. Without further ado, let's unravel the tales of the 6 most biggest zoos around the world. Number 6. London Zoo, United Kingdom. The ZSL London Zoo, located in the heart of Regent's Park in London, is one of the oldest and most iconic zoological institutions in the world. Established in 1828, the zoo is operated by the Zoological Society of London (ZSL) and has played a pivotal role in advancing the understanding of wildlife and promoting conservation efforts. Covering a sprawling area within Regent's Park, the ZSL London Zoo is home to over 650 species of animals, ranging from charismatic mammals to fascinating reptiles and birds. The zoo's exhibits are designed to provide a naturalistic environment for the animals, with a focus on education, research, and conservation. Visitors can explore a variety of themed areas, including the Gorilla Kingdom, Land of the Lions, Penguin Beach, and the Rainforest Life exhibit. One of the notable features of the London Zoo is its historic architecture, including the iconic Snowdon Aviary designed by Lord Snowdon and Cedric Price. This Grade II listed structure has been a landmark since its opening in 1964 and is home to a diverse collection of exotic birds. The zoo's Victorian architecture and historic buildings add to its charm, creating a unique atmosphere for visitors. The London Zoo actively engages in conservation initiatives and research projects to contribute to the protection of endangered species and their habitats. Through breeding programs and partnerships with international conservation organizations, the zoo aims to make a positive impact on global biodiversity. Educational programs and events are integral to the zoo's mission, providing visitors with the opportunity to learn about wildlife conservation, animal behavior, and the importance of protecting the world's ecosystems. The zoo also offers interactive exhibits and behind-the-scenes experiences to enhance the visitors' understanding of the animal kingdom. ZSL London Zoo continues to evolve, with ongoing efforts to improve animal welfare, enhance exhibits, and promote sustainable practices. As a leading institution in the field of zoology, it remains a popular destination for families, students, and wildlife enthusiasts, offering a memorable and educational experience in the heart of London. Number 5. Beijing Zoo China. The Beijing Zoo, situated in the heart of China's capital city, is one of the oldest and most extensive zoos in the country. Established in 1906 during the late Qing dynasty, the zoo has undergone significant expansions and renovations over the years, transforming into a modern facility dedicated to wildlife conservation, education, and research. Spanning an impressive area, the Beijing Zoo is home to over 450 species of animals, totaling tens of thousands of individual animals. The diverse collection includes mammals, birds, reptiles, and aquatic species, showcasing a wide representation of the world's fauna. Some of the zoo's most famous residents include giant pandas, which are a symbol of China's conservation efforts and cultural heritage. The zoo's exhibits are carefully designed to provide naturalistic habitats for the animals, creating environments that mimic their native ecosystems. Visitors can explore themed areas such as the Panda House, Polar Animal World, African Animals Area, and the Amazon Rainforest, among others. These exhibits not only offer an entertaining experience, but also contribute to the zoo's educational mission by raising awareness about wildlife conservation. One of the highlights of the Beijing Zoo is the Panda House, where visitors can observe giant pandas in a setting that simulates their natural habitat. The zoo has been actively involved in giant panda breeding programs, contributing to the conservation of this endangered species. Additionally, the aquarium within the zoo complex showcases a variety of marine life, including dolphins and sea lions. Beyond its role as a popular tourist destination, the Beijing Zoo is committed to scientific research and conservation initiatives. The zoo collaborates with domestic and international organizations to contribute to the protection of endangered species and the preservation of biodiversity. The Beijing Zoo's historic significance is evident in its architectural features, including traditional Chinese elements and landscaping that harmonizes with the surrounding natural environment. As a key cultural and educational institution, the zoo attracts a diverse audience, including families, school groups, and wildlife enthusiasts, offering a blend of entertainment and conservation awareness in the heart of Beijing. Number 4. Toronto Zoo, Canada. The Toronto Zoo, located in Scarborough, Ontario, is one of the largest and most diverse zoos in the world. Opened in 1974, the zoo covers a vast area of over 700 acres and is divided into several geographic regions, each designed to replicate the natural habitats of its inhabitants. This layout enhances the visitor experience, providing an immersive journey through various ecosystems. One of the Toronto Zoo's standout features is its commitment to conservation and education. The zoo houses over 5,000 animals representing over 450 species, including both native Canadian wildlife and exotic creatures from around the globe. Notable exhibits include the African savanna, the Indo-Malaya region, the tundra trek, and the recently opened giant panda experience, which has contributed to global giant panda conservation efforts. The Canadian Domains section of the zoo showcases the diversity of wildlife found in Canada, featuring species such as polar bears, wolves, and Canadian lynx. The tundra trek provides an Arctic environment for animals like polar bears and reindeer, while the African savanna replicates the grasslands of Africa, home to giraffes, zebras, and rhinoceroses. Beyond its role as an entertainment destination, the Toronto Zoo places a strong emphasis on education. It offers a range of educational programs, camps, and interactive exhibits to raise awareness about wildlife conservation and the importance of protecting natural habitats. The zoo actively engages in breeding programs for endangered species and collaborates with other zoos and conservation organizations globally. The Toronto Zoo is also recognized for its innovative efforts in sustainable practices. It strives to minimize its environmental impact through initiatives such as waste reduction, energy efficiency, and wildlife-friendly landscaping. The zoo's commitment to conservation extends to its research initiatives, contributing valuable scientific knowledge to the understanding and preservation of endangered species. Visitors can participate in behind-the-scenes experiences, educational talks, and interactive displays that highlight the zoo's dedication to the well-being of animals and the environment. In summary, the Toronto Zoo offers a comprehensive and immersive experience, blending entertainment with education and conservation. Its expansive grounds and diverse collection make it a popular destination for families, wildlife enthusiasts, and anyone interested in exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom. Number 3. San Diego Zoo, United States. The San Diego Zoo, located in Balboa Park, California, is one of the most renowned and innovative zoological parks in the world. Established in 1916, it spans over 100 acres and is home to a diverse collection of over 3,700 animals representing more than 650 species. The zoo is known for its commitment to conservation, education, and providing an enriching experience for visitors. One of the defining features of the San Diego Zoo is its dedication to creating naturalistic habitats for the animals. The zoo is divided into various themed areas, including Elephant Odyssey, Monkey Trails, Panda Canyon, and Africa rocks. These exhibits aim to replicate the animals' native environments, offering visitors a glimpse into the diverse ecosystems found around the world. The Panda Canyon is particularly noteworthy, as the San Diego Zoo was one of the first zoos outside of China to house and breed giant pandas. The zoo has played a significant role in giant panda conservation efforts, contributing to the understanding of their behavior and biology. The San Diego Zoo is recognized for its conservation initiatives. The zoo actively participates in breeding programs for endangered species, conducts scientific research, and collaborates with conservation organizations worldwide. The Institute for Conservation Research, affiliated with the zoo, focuses on projects aimed at preserving endangered species and their habitats. The San Diego Zoo's commitment to education is evident through various programs, exhibits, and interactive experiences. The zoo offers educational presentations, animal shows, and behind-the-scenes tours to engage visitors of all ages. It also provides educational resources for schools and participates in outreach programs to promote wildlife conservation awareness. The zoo's botanical collection is another highlight, featuring a wide variety of plant species from different regions. The lush landscaping enhances the overall experience, creating a beautiful and immersive environment for both visitors and animals. The San Diego Zoo has consistently been at the forefront of technological advancements in zoology. The zoo pioneered open-air, cageless exhibits and has been a leader in animal care and enrichment practices. It continues to evolve, incorporating the latest technologies to improve animal welfare and enhance the visitor experience. Number 2. Bronx Zoo, United States. The Bronx Zoo, located in New York City, is one of the largest metropolitan zoos in the world and holds a rich history as a pioneering institution in the field of zoology. Managed by the Wildlife Conservation Society (WCS), the zoo opened its doors in 1899 and has since become an iconic destination known for its expansive exhibits, diverse animal collection, and commitment to conservation and education. Spanning 265 acres within Bronx Park, the zoo is home to over 6,000 animals representing more than 700 species. The exhibits are thoughtfully designed to recreate natural habitats and provide an immersive experience for visitors. One of the highlights of the Bronx Zoo is the Congo Gorilla Forest, an award-winning exhibit that simulates the lush rainforests of Central Africa and houses a thriving community of gorillas. Along with other species, the Bronx Zoo is known for its dedication to wildlife conservation. It actively participates in numerous breeding programs for endangered species, contributing to global efforts to ensure the survival of threatened animal populations. The zoo's commitment extends beyond its own borders, as the WCS, which manages the Bronx Zoo, is a leader in field conservation projects around the world. Several iconic exhibits at the Bronx Zoo have captured the public's imagination. The Tiger Mountain exhibit showcases these majestic big cats in a habitat designed to resemble the Asian uplands, complete with waterfalls and rocky outcrops. The Madagascar exhibit transports visitors to the unique ecosystems of the island nation, featuring lemurs, crocodiles, and other endemic species. Education is a central focus of the Bronx Zoo's mission. The zoo offers a range of educational programs, events, and interactive exhibits to inform visitors about wildlife conservation, biodiversity, and the importance of protecting natural habitats. Educational initiatives cater to audiences of all ages, including school groups, families, and adults. The Bronx Zoo also emphasizes the importance of scientific research in its mission. The Wildlife Conservation Society conducts field research and studies to better understand animal behavior, ecology, and conservation needs. This research contributes valuable knowledge to the broader scientific community and informs conservation strategies. Number 1. Columbus Zoo and Aquarium, United States. The Columbus Zoo and Aquarium located in Powell, Ohio, is a world-renowned institution that has earned a reputation for its commitment to wildlife, conservation, education, and providing a captivating experience for visitors. Established in 1927, the zoo has undergone significant expansions and transformations over the years, evolving into a leading zoological park. Spanning over 580 acres, the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium is home to a diverse collection of over 10,000 animals, representing more than 600 species. The exhibits are designed to provide naturalistic and enriching environments for the animals, fostering their well-being and allowing visitors to observe them in settings that resemble their native habitats. One of the key attractions at the Columbus Zoo is the Heart of Africa exhibit, an immersive experience that transports visitors to the African savanna. This exhibit features a variety of African wildlife, including giraffes, zebras, and lions, in a setting that replicates the expansive landscapes of the continent. The Polar Frontier exhibit showcases animals from the Arctic region, such as polar bears and seals, in a habitat designed to mimic their icy surroundings. The Columbus Zoo has gained international recognition for its conservation efforts and commitment to preserving endangered species. The zoo actively participates in global breeding programs and collaborates with conservation organizations to support initiatives aimed at protecting wildlife and their habitats. Notably, the zoo has been involved in successful breeding programs for endangered species like the Amur tiger and the Maasai giraffe. Education is a central component of the Columbus Zoo's mission. The zoo offers a range of educational programs, events, and interactive exhibits to engage visitors of all ages. These initiatives aim to raise awareness about wildlife conservation, biodiversity, and the importance of sustainable practices. The Jungle Jack's Landing area, named after the zoo's director emeritus Jack Hanna, features educational exhibits and live animal encounters, in addition to its land-based exhibits. The Columbus Zoo has an associated aquarium that showcases a variety of aquatic life. The Discovery Reef exhibit, for example, offers a glimpse into the vibrant world of coral reefs, featuring colorful fish and other marine species.